Hello students, welcome to the series of organic chemistry. Dear students, please subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. And please, yes, so biodegradable polymers. Yes, biodegradable polymers. So there are two polymers we are going to learn, PH, BV and nylon 2 nylon 6. Yes, so these polymers are designed and prepared, and now we are using these PHBV nylon 2 nylon 6 polymers. Biodegradable means these are not going to withstand in the environment for long time. These are degradable by some kind of bacteria, thinking that these are also natural polymers. For example, protein is a natural polymer. So proteins are simply degradables. So bacteria, wherever protein comes, it eats up and it is going to be degraded. So this PHBV is nothing but can be prepared by using this butyric acid, 3-hydroxybutyric acid. This is 3-hydroxybutyric acid. Butyric acid. Yes. So if I write alpha beta, beta hydroxybutyric acid or beta hydroxybutyric acid. 3-hydroxybutyric acid plus valeric acid. How many carbons will be there in valeric acid? It is going to have 5 carbon chain. Valeric acid, CH3, CH2, CH and CH2. Yes students, so 3-hydroxy valeric acid. So pentanoic acid. Actually pentanoic acid. Pentanoic name is usually not used. So valeric acid. So 5-membered carboxylic acid is named as valeric acid. When I do the polymerization, it is condensation polymerization. What is going to happen? So this is going to lose water. For example, if I do the polymerization, this it is going to lose water, minus water, right? So this also loses water with another acid, and it goes on loses water. So what is going to have? So ester bond formation is going to take place. Ester is going to take place. So if I write the structure, this is the oxygen, it is kept N, and this is CH, and here CH, and this methyl comes here. Now CH2, and this is CO, and what is there? It is formed ester. This is oxygen and this is the CH, and this ethyl, let me write down, CH3 and CH2 and CO, and this is the polymer. This is the polymer PHBV. So if you want, I can write like this, hydrogen and here hydrogen. Yes. So what is there in this? It is an ester. So these esters are easily degraded by bacteria. So this is a biodegradable polymer. The name of this polyhydroxybutyric acid copolymer, isn't it? Homopolymer or copolymer? It is prepared from two different units. Copolymer of hydroxy valeric acid. So what is the name? PHBV. So this is the acronym of this PHBV. Yes, it is a biodegradable polymer. So it is used for special packing and orthopedic devices, controlled release of drugs, and it can be used for the controlled release of drugs also, students. So controlled release means, yes, this biodegradable PHBV can be used for making capsules. If you want, you can use it for capsules also. Controlled release of drugs, right? So PHBV is orthopedical preparation, it can be used. So the question is here, among the given compounds which is having chiral center, chiral asymmetric carbons, dear students, it is having asymmetric carbon, this is asymmetric carbon, and here also asymmetric carbon, stereochemistry. So this carbon is attached to 4 different units, 4 different groups: methyl, hydrogen, this is CH2COH, and this is alcohol. This carbon also is having 4 different groups. So the starting materials are asymmetric carbon containing compounds, and the product PHBV was given. This question was given in 2020 itself. So PHBV is a chiral containing polymer, chiral center containing. This is chiral center. This is also chiral center, isn't it? So this carbon is attached to, this is methyl, hydrogen, oxygen, and CH2. Yes, this is also this oxygen, H, and CH2, and this is CH2. This is different. So it is very important, students. The product and starting material both are the compounds having chiral center. It is important. It was asked in 2020 itself. Right. Another important polymer is nylon 2, nylon 6, isn't it? So nylon 2 and nylon 6. What is a glycine copolymer we are going to learn, students? So nylon, this is glycine. So in previous lecture I have explained amino acids, glycine. Right? This is glycine. Upon reacting with nylon 6 means it is amino acid, caproic acid. This is caproic acid. What is the number of carbons in caproic acid? It is 5, and this is 6 carbon, carboxylic acid and amino group, right? Caproic acid. Upon polymerization, yes, so this is N molecules, and here N molecules and N molecules. So what is going to happen? This is acid and this is amine. This is amine and this is acid. So it goes on forms amide bonds. How? It is very simple. So if I write hydrogen here and hydrogen here, simply take out water. It is a condensation polymer. Take out water and write the structure. And this side also it is going to form this water. So what I have to write? It is NH. It is like this. The structures are very important, students. CO, and now it is formed amide, CH2 and 5. This is CO. N. This is nylon 2 and nylon 6. So 2 is from this glycine, 2 carbon, and 6 is from this caprolactam. It is a copolymer, isn't it? It is a biodegradable polymer. It was asked in 2019 by giving nylon 6,6, nylon 2,6, nylon 6, and polyethylene. So among these polymers, which is biodegradable? Nylon 2,6 is a biodegradable polymer, and which is a copolymer. Yes, so this is very important, and this nylon 2,6 is having amide bonds. So Have you ever heard that stitches after operation? For example, during the operation or after operation, we will use stitches, right? Nowadays, absorbable stitches are using. The stitching thread is made up of nylon 26, where this is absorbed by the body itself. Absorption will take place, means this nylon 26 will be degraded just within 6 days or within 10 days or 15 days, right, within the body, because of presence of some bacteria, and it is going to be degraded. Not only bacteria, even with our body temperature and some enzymes, there are number of things are there in our body. So this amide bond is going to be broken up, thinking that this is also like polymer of our body, that is protein of our body. It is similar to protein. So nylon 26 is used for suturing. So the stitching process is known as suturing of surgeries. Surgical suturing will be done by using nylon 26. Yes, students. So thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. Thank you. Bye. We will meet again with a new lecture. Till then, bye. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Bye, students.